Dan, is it here?
And everything.
Dan, is it here?
It's all dark. Can't see you in the dark.
Let's have a look. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm not gonna look till I get in the kitchen. Oh, it looks really good, doesn't it? Don't open it. Can I open it? Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness me. Dan is on your fridge. Oh my goodness me, this is so brilliant, isn't it?
Darling fridge.
That's like a grown up one.
Yeah.
Darling me's all grown up now.
Like a proper adult fridge.
Darling proper adult fridge. Oh, it looks fantastic. Oh, it's so new and nice. Darling, it was worth the wait, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Look at all my vegetable. I'm going to put all my veg in there.
Darling, look at this bit.
Look at the veg. Look how much
Darling, I
veg.
don't care about the boring veg. Look. Wine bottles. Bottles and that.
Darling, wine bottles.
Darling, bottles.
Don't you have to start drinking white wine then?
Oh, I'll just get some really big beer bottles. Those big San Miguels and those things. They'll fit in there lovely.
Darling. What's this?
That's the water reservoir.
That's a water reservoir.
That's where you put. That's what the water goes in to make our ice and give us cold drinks and stuff.
So how do we... we have to work out how it works.
Well, me and Finion's already been on it. He's taken it apart already.
Oh, right.
We think the water comes through here. Into there.
From here?
Yeah.
And goes siphoned up there?
Yeah.
All right, so you just top this up?
Yeah, you just fill that up with water.
Oh, wow. Wow.
And it says that we have to leave it for 2 hours before we can turn it on. And
It'll have a light in it. We haven't had a light in our fridge
I know.
for what?
And it says you have to
7,
leave it for something like
8.
24 hours before the ice thing you can use.
Oh, did you ever see a light in our fridge?
Yeah, there was one when I first met you.
First met me like 9
know.
years ago. 10 years ago. Because we'll be married
No,
8 years this year.
it died about 5 years ago, the light.
So that we had no light. And actually, we think the whole fridge died because
It was just a
we've just
cool, dark
thrown
cupboard.
so much food away over the years. Just like stuff going off well before the date. And the milk outside, even in the sun, has lasted twice as long as it would have
Actually
done
used
in
up
our
a whole
fridge.
thing of milk.
You've actually used up a whole thing of
We
milk
have to
without having to
throw it away.
throw it away. Oh, look! I'm gonna have a look in this book. Da, 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 from the lovely Chrissy. I'm gonna have a look in this book, and I'm gonna make some really lovely meals because Finian would like to come home and nuke his own food when he gets home from school when I'm not here, and eat early. So I'm going to do loads of family meals that are all going to be frozen in there. Oh, look. Oh, it's so exciting. Then we're going to throw all the condiments away that are all kind of been at the back of our old cupboard fridge for
I
ages.
hope we can get a pizza in it.
Darling, we can get a pizza in it. We can.
Yeah.
Well, we have to take a shelf out actually. It doesn't. This is a slightly different one from the one we looked at, but.
Not really.
And that's it. Open, is it?
I think it might be
Darling,
enough.
it's so exciting! Darling, it's an amazing. So that's massive, look.
I know. And there's 2 of them.
And that's 2 of them, and I can keep all my vegetables in there. You probably won't even, you'll probably lose the ability to open the drawers.
I'll
won't
never
you?
open that drawer.
Never open
Ever.
that drawer. Darling, what are you like? Oh, look, and all these things. Oh, it's just fantastic, isn't it? Darling, it's so fantastic. And it's so attractive. It's very attractive.
Right, I'm going to stop the video now, sweetheart.
Dan, I love the fridge more than you.
Darling, I love the fridge more than me.
Dan, do you love the fridge more than me?
No.
Darling.
I love my guitars more than you.
Wink's had to wait in all day for this. He's had to sit
I've
watch
been
telly all
literally
day. Have you watched telly all day?
I've literally sat on the sofa, haven't left the lounge all day.
Oh gosh, you must be stir crazy.
Just like playing. I've learnt loads of things on my guitar and scales and stuff, and
Excellent.
I've done loads of
Maybe
guitar
you can
practice.
play something for our lovelies, darling. I'm having to stroke it.
And then I discovered a whole bike program on Amazon TV that's really good. Because I've been watching loads of motorbike programs.
Oh, it's looking
Right,
real great.
say
that
goodbye.
one. Bye. Ecstatic is an understatement.